Hey guys, so if you're following along with this tutorial, I'm going to assume you already have your TikTok made and imported into Descript. If not, go ahead and quickly add it in by hitting the media button, and then adding your file. That'll let the audio transcribe into the storyboard here. You also want to make sure that your video is in the portrait aspect ratio, so it will be ready to go for your TikTok. We have a couple different options in terms of how to add the captions or subtitles. I guess I'll show you the easiest way to add the captions, and then we'll work our way into customizing them a bit more. Make sure the cursor is under the slide we want to add the caption to, and then go ahead and hit templates. And we're going to want to look for the captions template. And then you can see there's a bunch of different options. If you highlight over them, you can see a preview of what it'll look like. But let's say I want, this one seems to be popular, so I'll go ahead and click on this one. It'll take a second, and then it'll automatically add those captions right into your video. So if you wanted to preview that, it would look like,
Welcome back to our channel. We're going to learn how to make some
okay, easy peasy. Okay, so I'm just going to delete that, and then I'll show you the other way to go ahead and add your captions. So again, we're going to want to be inside that slide, and then you'll hit text, and then captions. So there's a subtitle feature. It requires you to add the subtitles manually. Let's do it the lazy way. So captions. And then, so there's a whole menu of things that you can customize. Let's say we want to, customize, make it red. So you can move it around if you'd like. Go ahead and play around with it. I'll show you again what this one looks like.
Welcome back to our channel. We're going to learn how to make some.
That's Captions in Descript in a nutshell. Consider subscribing if you found this useful, and we'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.